Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu. Isalukazi sendoda lesugogo Bathini Mbatha. Ngani zakwethu ake sixoxe lana ngokufa. Ngani zakwethu sonke ukufa kusilindile. Sonke siyolala kulamashandisi lawa angemuva, all of us ngani zakwethu. Kuhlukeke ngenkolo esikuzo thina yesikwashembe kunqotshwa kanje thina sikabani kunqotshwa kanje thina sikabani kunqotshwa kanje. It's okay, but the bottom line, we're going under the ground or siyashiswa, it doesn't matter. But at the end of the day ngani zakwethu siyobizwa ngedlozi, siyobizwa ngethongo. Another thing, abantu bayenza impazamo bathi ithonga. Ithonga, it's a tribe. Ithongo umuntu ongasekho. We'll talk about the language later. Kodwa ngani zakwethu, often we say to ourselves, yeah, idlozi lama limbhekanga, idlozi lama lenzi next. But have we ever looked at ourselves? Have we ever looked at ourselves on the mirror and ask ourselves a question of what kind of an ancestor am I going to be? Ngikwenzile na mina ofanele ngikwenze njoba ngasaphila ngenzele obaba mkhulu nogogo nokhulu nokhuluza, noma nawe uyoedwa esikweletini sethongo lakini bese kuthiwa nogogo Bathini Mbatha ozala usibanibani akakenzelwanga na izinto, uma wakhe akayenzelanga izinto, ubaba wakhe akayenzelanga izinto, ugogo wakhe akayenzelanga izinto. That's why guys, sometimes sithi idlozi lisinaki, idlozi lifuna ukukhokhelwa ngani zakwethu. It's because we are in areas edlozini ngani zakwethu, because ngisathi siphila nathi sesa eda ikweletu instead of reducing ikweletu. So ngani zakwethu ukufa kuzofika noma yinini. Let's make sure ukuthi masisaphila emhlabeni we work hard and we are passionate about what we're doing, so that nathi sizoba idlozi elihle enganeni zethu, so that we'll continue working hard even sesingasekho emhlabeni ngani zakwethu. The last thing I want ingane zami izozethuneni nesinefu nomqombothi nesiminofu or nehenisi zizongiphahlela zithi baba izinto ziyabheda. No, I don't want that. I wouldn't want to see my child going through that. But what am I doing about it at this moment? Ngani zakwethu, I'm provoking a topic. Isalukazi sendoda lesi ugogo Bathini Mbatha, intatheli yamathongo. Ngani zakwethu ngitholakala empangeni strictly by appointment. I'm provoking, I'm starting a debate ngani zakwethu. What kind of idlozi are we going to be after sesifakwe kule shandisi? After sesihambile ngani zakwethu, sesingcwatshiwe, sesingasekho emhlabeni. You know, whenever I go past some of undertaker, I ask myself the same question. Ngelinye ilanga nami ngiyoshona. Ngingathanda yini ngishona isimo sinje. 083 533 9183 083 533 9183 ukufa.